It's Monday morning, boys. That's right. Time to take a look at this hardscape project we're working on. I cannot stress to you boys how important friends and family are. And the only way they do you any good is if you treat them like you truly love them and care for them every day, every minute. Let's see how it goes. Haha. All right, boys. We're here. The puppies are here. They hanging out. They are already where they're not supposed to be, in the wall. All right, it's early. My man's here. He's already done a lot of work. I'm always late, so we'll let him get started.
How we doing this morning, guys? So we've kind of taken a little bit of time before Randall got here, and we laid out the actual wall on the ground. So we do a pre-layout, paint it out, and then that way we can establish grade points throughout the footers, and that will help us establish overall height of the wall and embedment of the wall. So essentially we started at 0 based on this step right here, and that is basically our starting point. Our patio and the top of the wall will be 6.5 inches down for finished grade. Then we'll come out here.
And I'm learning a lot as we go through this.
So then we lay our wall out at 10-inch increment or 10-foot increments, and then that way, grade-wise, we know every 10 foot an exact grade. So we'll take our fancy little laser here. We will check. So right here, we are 2 feet, 8.5 inches below finished grade at the corner. We'll go down here, we'll do the same thing. This will be at 20 feet from the house. So now you can see we're 4 feet 8 inches from finished grade at the house. We'll continue to check throughout the project, again establishing what our footer level will be, and then we can calculate that back in 8-inch increments going back to finished grade. So at 40 feet, we are 4 feet 6 inches. Here at our outside corner, we are 5 feet 6.5 inches. And then essentially we'll go back to 0 or finished grade at the concrete level of the existing pool deck. Now we're coming back to original patio for the pool deck. So when it's all said and done and we finish up, our main wall coming out turning 90 degrees will end up being 8 inches higher than what this wall that runs parallel with the back of the pool deck. We will step it down in the inside corner here to allow for that transition to get back to finished grade. We want to step it up over here to match and minimize the step coming off of the existing deck steps so that there is no transition there. It comes off 6 inches below, perfectly flat area, perfectly flat surface, but then we've got to get back to pool deck elevation.
Nice, easy slope. You won't even notice it when you're walking it. You won't even barely notice when you're looking at it. The water will run though.
Yep, absolutely. And that's a key, like Randall said, just to make sure you get positive drainage away from whatever you're working at so that you don't have water standing in the surface and inhibiting the area.
All right, let's walk over here and look at this area that I was happy we didn't have to dig out this footer. No one wants to get a sledgehammer on concrete, right? So that's where we're starting. That's where he's talking about. And essentially, guys, this whole area is going to be a patio, grill spot, just kind of the hangout area when you're grilling out and hanging out with the family, okay? Boys, these projects are not easy to do. You have to have a lot of knowledge, pretty much a doctorate degree, pretty much the same equivalent in your field of expertise to pull these jobs off the way they need to be done correctly. You do not want to come back on big jobs for any kind of miscalculations or malfunctioning on your walls and patios. Yeah, that was an excellent morning, wasn't it, boys? Really informative. Man, he knows what he's doing out there, guys. He's gonna make this place look beautiful. I cannot wait. I'm so excited about this project. You know, I'm probably not gonna have time to do it. I put much effort into it myself with my hands. It's gonna be a lot of fun to see it progress. And my clients will be happy. Alright, so apparently there's a package here for me. That's what Dalton just came and told me. There's a package here from Scag. I didn't order nothing, boys. I didn't order nothing. Let's find out what it is.
Any key or something open it?
Yeah, I thought I brought a knife up, but maybe you can use the mom's fingernails. Dun dun dun. What they send me, boys? We got some goodies, don't we? Sweet.
2 hats, 3 hats, 2.
The Scag power equipment hat, number 1. Number 2. I assume that's one for me and one for Dalton. We got 2 hats. We got some amazing Scag Nation stickers to throw around wherever we choose. Keychain. Ooh, that'll come in handy right there for sure. The scriptures need something to keep them together every week. And a little phone charger with Scag on it. Yeah. Sweet. Nice. Yeah, boys. There's the care package box they sent us. That's awfully nice of you, Scag. We will continue to promote your products because we love them here at Elite Landscapes. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
All right.
It looks a little cooler too.
Yeah, it's got the mesh in the back, a little airflow, and it's not like the big tall trucker style cheapy hats. It's a nice hat, guys. All right, it's a nice hat. It's embroidered. Hey, Scag, we love you, right? It helps us survive. We love Scag, right?
Yep.
Yep. Dalton?
Yeah, love it.
Yes, yes, love Scag. Yeah. Dalton's pimping the Scag gear too. Yes, sir. Hey, I definitely know this boy deserved it. All right, you guys have seen his stripes he's been laying down. They're looking tight. They're looking tight these days. Looking good. Y'all be careful. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.